Dr. Rose here with Natural Transplants, and we have the lovely Eureka today. Love that name. She's here for a hair transplant procedure. And tell me a little bit about your hair loss and what you've done prior to getting here.
Well, I actually had no hair issues until I started going to someone that braided my hair, and she did it really tight, and I thought, great, it'll last longer, it's neater. But then I was in pain for like about a week, after it was done, and I thought that was just natural. But then over time, hair loss, hair thinning, edges started, being lost, and then I started wearing wigs to cover it up, and it just never grew back. And I thought it would, because my hair's always been pretty thick and pretty good, but it never did. So once those hairs come out, that's it. Like, there's nothing to grow back. It's just a bald spot.
Absolutely. Unfortunately, we see this all the time. And yes, once the follicle is ripped out or destroyed, the only way to get any growth back is to plant new seeds. So then that's exactly what we're going to do today. So we're going to show your before pictures and also just discuss how we had you get 2 biopsies, right?
Yes.
One along your edges,
Yes.
and then one on the top of your head as well. And luckily, both of them came back with traction,
Yes.
which is treatable with this procedure. So that's wonderful news. And it's not one of the other types of alopecia or hair loss that's considered scarring. So that's great news. All right, I can't wait to get this started for you. You have great donor hair in the back. And we're going to be following you today and then through your hair journey over the course of the year.
Yeah.
Dr. Rose with Natural Transplants. We are following up with Eureka in the middle of the case. Hey, Eureka.
Hi.
And I was just saying, Eureka, we got you so much hair today. This is one of our biggest cases ever on a female, actually. So, and you needed it. You had a lot of different areas with traction alopecia. So how are you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty good. I don't really feel much, so this is actually great.
Amazing. No pain or anything?
Oh, no, none at all. I mean, the initial anesthesia, of course, you're going to feel the pricks. That, of course, is natural. But after that, not a thing.
Amazing. You've been a trooper. It's a little bit later in the day here, but this is going to be fantastic. And can't wait to see your hair growing in. Any final thoughts from you for the day?
I'm excited myself. I can't wait to see it. Like, I'm just ready to see some hair, some edges. It'd be nice to have nice hairline again.
Oh, you're going to get it. Trust me. Awesome. Well, we'll follow up with you at the end of the case, okay?
Yes.
Dr. Rose here following up at the end of the surgery with Eureka. Wow, that went by fast. Although, like I said, we got you just probably the biggest female case we've had, and you needed it. So how are you feeling?
I feel pretty good. I am excited to see how it all turns out, but the day was great. I was relaxed. I watched a couple of movies. The ladies are wonderful, so friendly, and they made you feel very comfortable. So I had a good day.
Amazing. Thank you so much. We enjoyed having you here as well. And I got to give a shout out to my team. They are phenomenal. So we're going to be following you throughout this year and watching these baby hairs grow.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.